10 easy ways to reduce weight. 1. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support metabolism. 2. Focus on portion control by using smaller plates and avoiding second helpings. 3. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your meals for nutrient-rich options. 4. Limit intake of sugary beverages, processed snacks, and high-calorie foods. 5. Eat mindfully by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and avoiding distractions while eating. 6. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking or cycling. 7. Get adequate sleep each night, aiming for 7 to 9 hours, to support weight management and overall health. 8. Reduce stress levels through relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 9. Stay consistent with healthy habits, focusing on gradual, sustainable changes rather than quick fixes. 10. Seek support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional for accountability and encouragement on your weight loss journey.